is our friends from Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud, commonly known as New Zealand. Welcome, our friends from New Zealand. Let's give a hand for the New Zealand group again.
Tūrau, ki runga tūrau, tūrau kia tātou katoa kua tai mai tērā, nē, tūrau. Kia ora! Kia ora! Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. We are whangara mai tawhiti from New Zealand, Aotearoa. We greet you, the home nation, the islands of Samoa, American Samoa. Nei anō te mihi kia koutou. We are here to share with you some of our culture, of who we are. We are whangara mai tawhiti, ngā uri o Paikea, the whale rider. So we are here to share with you a little bit of Paikea, our knowledge to you. Ngā iwi o ngā motu o te moana nui aki, to all the islands of of the Pacific. Come with us as we take you on a journey back to Hawaii. Give up! Tara pai pai! As we journey back in time, in the time of Hawaii, there were two brothers, Tuiātaga to the left, Tuiātaga to the right. The eldest Tuiātaga, who holds the staff, the younger brother who holds the patu, Tuiātaga. It was Tuiātaga who was given all the gifts. Tuiātaga, a jealous one, seek to revenge, taken upon his brother. For he wanted to be the elder. He wanted to be the whale one. When Tuiātaga tried to take Aotearoa out to sea, he tried to drown him, but it was Aotearoa who called upon the Tora, the whale. Thank you, Bud. The next item we would like to do for you is a poi. A poi is known as a ball on string. This particular instrument was used for flexibility in the wrist, so that once you were flexible, you were able to go from the poi and move on to the patu for war. Back in ancient times, it was originally done by the men, but they have become clumsy and they're not as beautiful to watch as our lovely ladies are. So we leave the skill of the poi to the ladies.
Yeah.
Now this particular poi pays homage to those who went to war. And they came from all parts of New Zealand. Kirikapia, they were known as the gum diggers. Whakapauta, they were known as the walkabout. Rukukapa is penny divers, and they came from Rotorua. And we are the cowboys of the Taira Whiti. Now, of course, since the women do the poi, they thought they had the mana. They thought they had the power. But of course, we all know, we'll all come here to watch New Zealand, Aotearoa, Whangarau mai tawhiti, do the haka. Give us a clap if you want to see some haka. What do you think, boys? Should we give them a haka? They said not loud enough. Give us a clap if you want to see some haka. Okay, the next particular haka we're going to do, once again talks about that whale rider man Paikia and how he came from Hawaii and he landed in Aotearoa at a place called Whangara. This particular haka talks of that. Okay, we've seen a little bit of the haka. Now what we're going to do, if you're interested in the haka, we're about to come and get some of you and we're going to get some people up here to do the haka. Gentlemen, go and get you free. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to be involved in a bit of coaching, get up here and do a little bit of haka. We're going to get up here and learn the haka, otherwise known as the war dance. Hey, the chief. How about a woman around the applause for the chief? Anybody else want to come up and learn what we call the haka, the war dance, Māori war dance? All right, we just about got everybody. Okay, Piripi, check for all their visas. You all got your visas, MasterCard. MasterCard. Okay, here we go. Hey, American Samoa. Okay. Okay, now, to do the haka, we pay homage to certain gods, certain atua. And if you really want to do the haka properly, gentlemen, are we all looking? Can you all see? We need to take them around back so they can come back looking like this. Here we go, we're going to get down to the business. We start off with the first action, which is called kia wiri. This is done with your fingers as we feel the wairua, or the spirit, flow from our fingers to our body. Okay, at ease, relax, relax, relax. When we say kia wiri, we begin this action. Kia wiri! That's stage one. Stage two is we learn the stance of Tuiātaga, God of War. We call this kalmo, as you can see, hands on the hips, legs slightly bent, legs not too far out and not too close in. And when this command is given, we shout to the top of our lungs, he, not she, he. Okay, kia wiri. Next, after we do kalmo, we learn to be one with the god Ruaumoko, god of the underearth, who causes the earthquakes. We do this by raising our right foot, bringing it down to the ground, causing the earth to tremor. This is called waiwai takai. Come on. Now we have the joining of the god Tuiātaga, god of war, the joining of the god Ruaumoko, god of the underearth, earthquakes. And next we have the inner strength of the warrior. This is to show his ihi and wana in strength. It is caused by the flowing of the fingers of the kia wiri movement, coming down, slapping upon the thighs to show the vigor of the warrior. As we all know, anybody here know the All Blacks? Say, go the All Blacks! Kia ora, kia ora. Okay, we've got that one done. Last but not least, we have the most important of all aspects in haka. This is called pukana. Can we all say pukana? Well done. The pukana is done with the bulging of the eyes. Also, the protrusion of the tongue. These two things put together, this is what we call pukana. It is done in defiance of death. It is done in the face of your enemy. If you can hold your pukana for a long time, can you hold your pukana for a long time? Now we'll just leave them like that while we carry on talking. The whole idea is to not be turned off. He must maintain the pukana. Now, we're going to combine all these elements. The kia wiri, feeling the spirits. Kia mau, the stance of Tuiātaga, the god of war. Waiwaitaka here, the introduction of Ruau Moko, the inner strength of the warrior, Ringa Pakia, and last but not least, defiance of death, the Pukana. Okay, here we go, Kauri. Now we have all the elements, we're gonna get down to the business. We have a haka, which is known as war dance, but we got no war. So we're gonna split them down the middle and we're gonna have a war. Okay, this war party over here, they're willing to make a sacrifice. We say no sacrifice, still war. Okay, we're going to see how well they were listening in haka school, and we're going to get ready to have a war. Here we go. If you got friends on this side, let me hear you make some noise. Let's give a cheer for this side. What about this side? What about this side? Come on! Wai, takai! Ringa pakia soli! Tena pukana! Ora kamata kamata! Ladies and gentlemen, what about a warm round of applause for our volunteers? Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the next item we would like to do for you is known as an action song. With the introduction of the European tool, otherwise known as the guitar, we have introduced it to Māori custom. In this particular action song, we pay homage to those who have passed away. In war, any war. Originally was done for the warriors who left New Zealand shores and who went over to Gallipoli. This pays homage to them. It is about this thing called He puti puti nui o te rā. Puti puti to us is the flower. As we come over here and we see in American Samoa, the yellow ribbons you have for your soldiers away, we liken the yellow symbol to that of the puti puti. So we wish for a safe journey for them to return home. This our song to you, puti puti nui o te rā. Oh, the big shiny bright flower. It dances in the fields of Gallipoli. Oh, how the great shimmering of roses and flowers. How could something so pretty come from something so bad? For the mothers, the wives of those who have lost them, this is a representation of them. No enemy. We all have lost someone. And what grows in their place will never be forgotten. Through stories, through song, we remember those who have passed on. Ladies and gentlemen, puti puti New York Aotearoa. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to do our final item. This is the first item. As we came out, we spoke of who we are and where we come from. This is our Tuiātaga. So we would like to leave you with our national anthem of the Tuiātaga. Please, if you do know the song, come up and join in. Ladies and gentlemen, Pangara mai tawhiti, thanks you, tēnā koutou katoa.